This is Project Urban Brute, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Urban Brute is painted in eggshell Indus silver with black accents. Urban Brute sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D custom steering guard, 4 LED spot lamps up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, the Brute features a Momo Eagle steering wheel with silver grey gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats with 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Avion Sterling and Avion Coal leather stitched together in black. Urban Brute is powered by our GM LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.